Hi friends, welcome to Nifty Profits YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at a brand new stock. I mean, not in terms of listing, but in terms of stock that we have discussed in Nifty Profits channel. I am CA Sathyamurthy Ramanujam. Today I am analyzing L&T Finance Holding stock. There was a request from one of our Nifty Profit subscribers to look at this stock and give guidance on the potential levels where one can enter and where one can exit. I am looking at the daily chart of L&T Finance and Holdings, and I have drawn Fibonacci levels from its 2016 low of 44.9 and all the way towards its climb up to its high, all-time high of 198.9 that it made in 13th October 2017. So in about 17 months roughly, the stock moved from 44.7 to 198.9, which is about roughly 4.5 to 5 times growth. And since then, the stock has been on a continuous fall. There has been frequent swing lows and swing highs, but the overall trajectory has been finding new lows every time, right? Though it tried to retrace here from about 72 levels to 124 somewhere in 2020, the coronavirus outbreak ensured that the stock fell from that level towards its new low of 42.7, which is about 2 rupees lower than even its 2016 low of 44.9. Since then, like every other stock that has recovered, including the index, and moved very high, manifold times growth, all the stocks have given. L&T Finance and Holding also moved from 42.7 roughly 3 times towards 113.4, a high it clocked on during the first week of March 2021. Now from there, once again it came down and it touched a low of 81 rupees, approximately 81.7, 82 rupees, and then from there it is trying to go up now. Now what is the interesting thing in this chart? If you see, it's a reverse V shape fall from 44.9 to 198.9 to 42.7. It's a reverse V shape fall, and you see that trend of Fibonacci line also is giving resistance at various levels and also support at various levels. Very interesting, isn't it? That's why I'm fascinated by Fibonacci ratios and the trend levels. Now, what has got the stock in store? Very interesting thing is the Fibonacci ratio I've drawn from 44.9 to 198.9 has a level of 81.25 as the 23.6% Fibonacci ratio level, which is actually 76.4% fall from its peak of 198.9, right? That is at 81.25, and the stock exactly at that level seems to have found some support and has is trying to regain some momentum to move up. But the Fibonacci levels that I have drawn of the downtrend from 198.9 to 42.9 and its retracement to 113.4 has the 23.6% level, that is a fall level, is at 76.55 rupees. So though the stock has recovered from 81, we cannot rule out the possibility of it moving down 5 to 6 rupees towards 76.5 levels in the future. But what should the investor do now? If you want to enter into the stock, yes, it has found a long-term support level at 81.5. So one can enter the stock at this current level. If you are freshly entering the stock, then you can enter about 50% of whatever you intend to invest at this level, and add the remaining 50% at a stronger support of 76.55 level. From here, the stock can first move towards 103 rupees, or 100 to 103, like let us say, because stocks may not exactly hit the Fibonacci levels, though many times it happens. So we can expect a bounce back towards 103 from this level. Okay, and then once it crosses the 103, can once again get back and knock at the recent high of 113.4. Rest of the levels we can see once the stock travels this distance. So presently, what is the advice? Advice is, if you are a fresh investor, invest around this level, 50% of exposure, and take further exposure at 76.5, and be prepared if the stock breaks this level also, which I feel is unlikely, but nobody can predict the market. Keep your stop loss below 53 rupees. Below 53 rupees, keep your stop loss, and hold the stock for an up move towards 100 rupees initially, and 113 in the next level once it crosses the 103 rupees level. If you are already holding the stock, keep holding it, because it has found a support at this 81.25 level, and wait for it to move towards 100. I do not know your cost, so you have to make decisions based on your cost. So if you want to average, this is a good place to average, and also 76 rupees is a good place to average. But always keep a stop loss. That stop loss, if you are very conservative, can also be at this level. If it breaks around 68 also, because you can see two peaks here, that also can be kept as your stop loss. But if you want to stay for a longer period of time, then you can keep this 53, below 53, as your stop loss, and hold for the stock to move back, because entire economy is also recovering in a fundamental sense. So this stock can also move up. And that's about it from me regarding L&T Finance and Holdings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please do press the like button, share it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, and come back again and again to watch new videos that I post. I want to inform you that I every day post, if you are an intraday trader, levels for Bank Nifty, Nifty, HDFC Bank, Reliance, and Bajaj Finance. 3 good momentum stocks. So you can watch those videos every day, which I post it between 9:15 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. It's purely intraday guidance levels. Please read the disclaimer posted in the description. I am just giving you guidance. This is purely educational. I am not a SEBI registered research analyst, but I hope my guidance levels helps you. Please apply your financial acumen, your financial planning, your financial risk management skills, and also consult your financial advisors before taking any action on the guidance that I give in this channel, and treat it purely as educational. Thank you very much once again. Wish you have a great trading day tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing you again with my next video. Bye bye.